Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can tell from the title, we've got another bargain haul today. You know I love shopping at bargains, and Fab Finds kindly reached out to me and asked if I'd like to try their website. They're an online based shop where you can get your cleaning, beauty products, garden and homeware. So all the stuff that I absolutely love. I have a discount code for you guys which I'll leave on the screen up here where you can get 10% off. But I can't wait to show you what I picked up. So let's get straight on. The first item that I got was some bedding. This was $12.99 and I just feel like this was ticking all the boxes. So this is for mine and my hubby's room. It's like a grey and white geometric print, but also has spring pink flowers on as well. I just thought this was absolutely beautiful. If you've watched any of my Come Shop With Me videos, I always point out geometric print stuff, and recently because of the spring I'm really into florals, so this ticks both of those boxes and I just absolutely loved it. It's got little like butterflies and everything on, so I just thought that was really cute. The next item that I picked up were these Dirty Works Coconut Bath Fizz Cubes. I absolutely love the Dirty Works packaging. It's kind of like that retro kind of feel. And I've picked these up because I've actually run out of small bath bombs. And my daughter absolutely loves throwing these in the bath and then trying to find them through the bubbles. So these are mainly for her. I've also ran out of my face scrub in the shower. So I picked this Dirty Works one up for $1.99 and it says it's got pomegranate extract and it's a 2-in-1. I believe you can use this as a face mask as well, but again these actually make really nice gifts just because the packaging is so, I don't know, well thought out, pretty. If you know somebody who kind of likes that retro feel, these would make a really nice gift filler. Okay, so I admit I have really treated my daughter. I've been after one of these for a while and I got her a little pink paddling pool just when the weather gets a little bit warmer. This was only $6.99 and I feel like Dottie might jump in there as well. I don't know, she's a little bit like hot and cold with water. Sometimes she likes a paddle, sometimes she doesn't, so we'll see what happens. But I just thought what a perfect way to just kind of like keep her occupied in the summer, keep her cool out in the garden. We've got a part of the garden that's quite shaded as well, so I plan to put that there. But yeah, I can't wait to see how fun it is. I used to love paddling pools when I was little. Now when I opened the box, I got this amazing smell. I was like, what the hell smells so good in this box? And it's actually these nice and fluffy tumble dry sheets in Summer Breeze. I can't tell you, they smell amazing. It's almost like a really clean soapy smell. I believe these were $1.99 and I do find we do tend to use the tumble dry quite a lot because we tend to wash like after work and there's no time to like leave it out to dry and stuff, so we do tend to use the tumble dryer probably a little bit more often than we should. But I find that even if you use like a strong conditioner, usually after it's been in the tumbles the scent wears off. So I wanted to try some of these sheets. If you guys use these, let me know how you get on. Do they smell really strong? I'm really hoping they do. And then the next item that I picked up was this nude nail varnish by Sally Hansen. It is such a pretty colour. I do love a nude. I just feel like it goes with everything. And yeah, it's just timeless. And I've been looking for the perfect nude shade after I'd used up all of my L'Oreal one, and this one actually looks very similar to that. It's not too browny, yellowy toned, which just doesn't suit my skin. I'm much better with a cooler toned nude, and this looks perfect. And yeah, Sally Hansen is a trusted nail brand and it's a miracle gel one, so hopefully it'll look gel effect too. I'm really excited to try this out. Again for $2.99. Can't go too far wrong with that. I did actually pick up a few beauty bits. So I've actually got a lipstick by Maybelline in Secret Blush. I just absolutely loved this packaging. It's in like a pinky gold colour and it looks so much more expensive than it was. So this looks super bougie. Look at this packaging, that lovely metallic pale pink rose gold sort of colour. This was $3.99, so imagine pulling this out your handbag when you're like topping up your lipstick. Now we can go out again. Just really, really pretty. And I picked up quite a natural, it looks more bright on camera actually. It's quite a browny pinky tone, which is definitely up my street. That's like an everyday colour for me, and you know what I'm like for losing lipsticks, I can never have too many. So yeah, absolutely love that. They do tend to have 4 for $5 on their beauty products as well. Also picked up some blue. I know this isn't quite as exciting as a lipstick, but I absolutely love putting the Cistern tablets in like these, and I just love the colour of the water it goes. So these ones are the pink ones, and I have to admit the branded ones last longer than the non-branded ones. I feel like it's a little bit of a false economy when it comes to toilet, what are they actually called? Are they toilet tablets? That's what I call them anyway. But yeah, definitely go for a branded one, I would say, if you can. And these were £1.50. And then, because I'd spent over so much, I got a free little product. So this is a Vaseline hand cream, and it's actually in this really pretty packaging. And yeah, I mean, at the moment with all the hand washing and stuff, my hands are always dry, and because I use fake tan as well, I do tend to find that fake tan dries my hands out. So this is perfect. I think at the moment, if you spend over £15, you get like a free gift, which is amazing. And for £3, I also picked my daughter up some Play-Doh, because we actually don't have any Play-Doh for her. And again, sometimes on a Wednesday, if it's raining and I just need to find something to do for her, I reckon she'll really love Play-Doh. We've held off getting it because I know it can be a little bit messy, but you know what? I'm not bothered. If she enjoys it, I'll enjoy it. I don't mind cleaning up after. Everything can be cleaned. So yeah, for £3 I picked those up. You get a red, a yellow, a blue and a green. And then for 69p, you know I have to pick up at least one snack. So I did get some tea cakes. These are actually one of my favourites just to have after dinner. And do you know what, if you are somebody who watches calories, I mean I don't particularly, to be honest, but if you are, one of these is only 55 calories and it feels so much more naughty than that. Do you know, it's got chocolate on, marshmallow, jam, oh they're just so delicious. So yeah, I picked some of those up for 69p. And then, is it even a bargain haul if I don't pick something up for my garden at the moment? I actually bought this metal rose arch. How amazing is this? I cannot wait to put this in the garden and get some flowers growing up here. I was going to put roses up, but of course I've got a little girl who's running around and I don't want anything with thorns or anything like that on. So if you guys know a pretty flower that can climb up and kind of like make that really beautiful arch, please do let me know down in the comments. This was a bargain. This was only £10.99 and it is 2.4 meters. It's made of metal and it has a green effect as well, which is quite good because it just blends in when, you know, your flowers are still growing up or they've died off because it's winter. So yeah, that's absolutely perfect for me. I'm planning on putting this, if you see my vlog videos, you know I've got like a little greenhouse patch behind my shed. I'm kind of putting it alongside the shed next to the fence so that it always creates a nice archway to go through, and it will help just block off the greenhouse because it's not the prettiest because it's just one of those shelf ones with plastic. So hopefully I can make that space look a little bit more pretty with this. That was everything for this haul. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to go and check out Fab Finds if you like some of these products. It's really great if you don't have like a Home Bargains or a B&M or anything like that near you, or you just fancy something different, to be honest. So make sure I'll leave all the details and how you can get your 10% off as well in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are on Instagram, don't forget to go and check me out over there as well. And I shall see you in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye.